Hi guys, it's my turn to do a weekly insight, and my fundamental of the week is blameless problem solving. Now, I believe that I have probably made the most mistakes and often the most expensive mistakes so far here at Mammoth. Um, we're a startup company, we're a growing company. We've had to develop each and every one of our processes from the beginning. And we've taken calculated risks, and we don't always succeed. For me, mistakes are a learning opportunity. And especially with others, I view it as an investment in that person. They get the experience and they get to learn what went wrong or what they shouldn't do next time. The goal is always to develop a process or improve a process to make sure that mistakes don't happen again. It's important to have an environment where people can speak up about problems. I want employees to be finding issues and ideally taking an active part in fixing those problems too. Blameless problem solving, though, is not a lack of accountability. It is just a refocusing. It is a prioritization of improvement. Now, this can mean coaching, not just reprimanding. When I find a problem, I want to have a conversation about the problem and how it happened. And I want people to feel comfortable in that conversation. I don't want them to feel defensive or scared. When you feel scared, your brain isn't working right. And when I'm looking for a partner to solve a problem, I want their brain to be there 100%. Now, in my personal experience, when I've made mistakes, I felt like I had the best understanding of what went wrong because I had the hands-on experience that led to the problem. And that meant that I was often the best person in the best position to fix that problem. And that means coming to management, coming to your team members, and talking about an issue and what you think you can do better with. So my kind of like problem solving guide is to first identify what the immediate problem is. Stop the bleeding, whatever it is, whether or not it's an unhappy customer or something as simple as a leak on a system. Fix the problem initially. Then once you have a little bit of free time, take a deep breath, calm down, assess what went wrong and what went right. Ask, how did this happen? And identify what we're going to be doing differently. As a individual, as a process, as a company. And then the last part is keep an eye out for issues and how updating processes are going to affect things down the line. When we make one change, it tends to precipitate several other changes. Just to recap, blameless problem solving, I think, is essential for a company to grow and essential for leaders to develop within an organization. Thanks.